It's you and the memories I don't wanna think about. It's you and the people that I can't be around. It's you and the voice that won't stop talking loud in my head.